Hello everybody, I'm Jo and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, the channel where you learn how to take care of your nails by yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch from square to round shape of your nail, and I'm gonna give you a cool idea of summer nails. What you need for this is nail files, a tool for the cuticles, scissors for the cuticles, scissors to cut your nails, a bowl with water to soften your cuticles, a towel, a buffer, a brush, a base coat for your nails, some colored nail polish, a top coat for your nails, a quick dry spray, and some hydrating oil for the cuticles. Let's get started. Let's cut the corners of the nails and also the top part. Now I'm gonna use a nail file to give a proper round shape to my nails. What I'm going to do next is use this nail tool to push my cuticles. After I push them, I'll use this sharp side to remove the cuticles from my nail. Moving further, I will soften my cuticles in the bowl of water. I'll just leave them for a few minutes until the cuticles are soft, so they will be easier to be removed. I'll use this towel. And with the scissors, I'll just cut my cuticles. The nails are almost clean, and I say almost because I still need to use a buffer to clean the surface of the nail. Don't insist too much with the buffer, otherwise you will remove a big part of the nail. After using a buffer, use a brush to clean your nail. As my nails are clean now, I'll just move to the nail polish part, and I'll start with the nail hardener. I'll apply one layer of it. I'll continue with some regular nail polish, and I'll use a different color for each nail. I'll start with yellow. I'll continue with blue, orange, green, and pink. I'll apply 2 layers for each hand. As the colored nail polish is on, I'm gonna apply 1 layer of top coat. To prevent your cuticles from growing really fast, use a hydrating oil. You just apply it around your nail. Now, depending on how much time you have to let your nail polish dry properly, use a quick dry spray or just leave them like this. I hope this was a useful tutorial, so I invite you to subscribe to my channel and to turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care, bye!